What do we want to start with?
Are you filming? Oh, okay, cool. Okay. Put some stuff on this. Let's make this look a little bit more like a motorcycle. Maybe someday we can ride it.
Someday.
Let the record stand that it is proven that I did not do that. That bolt would hit first. This could never come around. I mean, unless this thing stretched itself out 6 inches. You're full of shit.
Chain should be cut.
I'll put this chain on.
It should be cut in space.
I don't really want to.
Because it's greasy.
It's greasy and kind of gross.
You just want to do the clean
factory. Yeah.
I want a new job too because this bolt doesn't want to go in.
We got to find a new filming location.
Well, I'm sure there's about 700 things Jared could be doing right now.
But this is what he needs to do. Notch tubes on the mill and make an ungodly amount of noise. I think we definitely lost the master link.
Ah, found it.
Didn't lose it.
It just wasn't marked properly.
Yeah.
Just beat the devil out of it.
I feel like that's way too long. You said you cut this? That's a negative.
That's a negative?
That's a real negative.
Bricked you by saying it was cut?
I imagine she's going to end up right about there.
That seems perfect.
Give myself a little extra.
You know, he's had a couple master links to it.
That's actually very common practice. You just double them up.
If one's good, a lot is better, right? Isn't that's what they say?
I'm going to use this tool because you know how much I love adjustable wrenches. This is the ultimate adjustable. So fast. Ain't nobody got time for that. What size nut is it? Don't know. Don't care.
Metric, standard, Whitworth, doesn't matter.
I'm equipped to handle all.
Supply the American people with... Stop.
Fine.
It scared the fuck out
when you use quality.
If you had a real wrench, that wouldn't happen.
That wouldn't have happened. But you know the time that I'm saving? By not actually finding the proper wrench?
I can't even argue with that.
Yeah, you can't. This is a real press fit, you know, on this.
I've never had one like that.
This is not a roadside change here.
That's not a roadside change at all.
How about a video of me trying to install a chain for fucking 25 minutes? I think that is great content.
We're also going to make them watch this in real time. There will be no speed up.
Yeah, we should just live stream this.
We should.
We'll try another technique. It's called big ass fucking.
Oh, great. One bag empty. Means we're winning. Oh, you get her? Some little knee.
This is how you do it.
Take
right
your...
here. No, I got it.
Okay, my bad.
With the big one.
My bad.
Precision tools. After I'm done with this, I'm going to come change your kitchen sink. I will not lose. Done. Oh, somebody's coming by to say hi.
Sounds Japanese.
Honda Shadow.
Close.
20 minutes later.
I had to wash my fingies. Finish that chain.
Just rocking.
Can't be touching any nice parts now. I was in the bathroom mic'd up. It made me think of, you ever watch that? You ever watch that Robert Durst? The guy, the rich dude who killed all like those people. It was like an HBO documentary. They were trying to he'd killed like 3 people and they were trying to pin all these murders on him, but he was basically so rich he got away with all of them.
That's a good way to be.
Then he does the documentary and he goes in the bathroom and starts talking to himself in the mirror and is like, of course I killed all those people. They got me. They got me. Literally. Like 20 years of evading it. And then he goes in there like a fucking moron.
Just goes
and just admits on the thing. They arrested him with like a mask and $100,000 in cash and a fake passport trying to jump the country right after it came out. Me, I was basically just in the bathroom like, well, of course I farted. That was me. That was me. I blamed it on the dog, but it was me. What's going on with that bike? That sweet Honda.
That is a Yamaha.
Likely story.
It's just a spring oil change and service situation going on that.
Sure.
And fixes rear blinker as long as I can do it under $60. Because that's how much of a priority that is. That is a $60 priority.
I'm gonna start using that. I will eat at this restaurant as long as you can keep it under $25. Logan's got seat covers.
Seat time!
We need a motor mount. A top motor mount.
I can't hear anything you're saying.
These bars are a bit dusty. Just
Earth and it's dusty. Spit on them. Needs some hands.
I'm just cleaning my bars over here. Grow up. I know what I want for Christmas. An adjustable ratcheting wrench.
Okay.
Adjustable, but with ratchet function.
Sure. So really the best of all the world. Success.
She said, being a YouTube star isn't a real job, Seth.
Come
Why don't you go work in the oil fields? Be a logger like the rest of your family, you pussy.
You're not a real man. Do you even cut down trees?
There you go, you got it. Done.
Oh, yeah. Anything worth doing is worth doing twice.
That's what somebody stupid once told me.
It's a true story. Well, we knew this wasn't like final. This is
No, it's like pre-final. Basically, building motorcycles is you put it together and you take it apart.
Correct.
And then you put it together.
And then you take it
apart.
again.
And you put it together. And then eventually you put it together to the point where you can ride it and you're like, yeah, fuck it, that's good enough.
Yeah. And then it rattles itself apart and then you put it back together.
Then you got to put it back together.
Again.
Should we just get Andy's? Yeah.
Yeah.
Doesn't seem right. Oh. What did we do? I'll just Scotch Brite. Here we go.
There. It's
Rad bike, dude.
It's stainless.
Scotch Brite it, and then we're just gonna
let it rust.
put some WD-40 rat bike.
Let it rust. Rat bike. Why? I just don't get how this math works.
Ow.
Everything is fucking hard. Building choppers is hard. Taking apart a Sportster and putting it together is easy.
This is a two-man job, Seth. You don't want to scratch the paint.
Did you not?
Can't remember how
ice? Oh, really? Are you fucking kidding me? And then this one will go in your middle hole.
Go in your
Not your front or back.
Don't put it in my front hole. It's looking motorcycle-y, dude.
It is.
It's a good looking motorcycle.
So the answer was no, he will not be done doing that anytime soon.
Oh, motorcycle. Just me and my tank, just holding it here. Listen to Jared chew through some metal, chopping up the tubes.
So annoying. You just tell Jared he can take the rest of the day off.
I bet this video is going to turn out trash because everyone in the background is going to be sick of listening to Jared.
I don't know how anyone would be tired of listening to that though, because I'm like, bring it on. Yeah. It's basically my white noise. Hoofda.
Hoofda, bud.
I know, it's terrible. My old Montana friends are like, what the fuck are you saying?
Been living up here in the Northwoods too long there, bud.
Where are you from?
Listen, guy. You bet. Here's a dipstick.
Nice, put that in.
Dipstick engaged.
Nice. That's,
you don't dislike that, so that means you like it. I do like that seat. He's a good lad. He's a good egg, that seat. I mean, should we just put the tank on for fun?
yes.
Yes. That's a definite.
That's a hard yes.
Thing. It may come off again. It's a fresh gas tank. I'm gonna lick it. I'm just licking it.
Do it. Lick it. I lick it because I like it.
Because it's so clean.
We can rob the ones from the Sportster.
That? You don't trust that? I trust that.
Okay.
I wholly trust that.
All right.
That's it. Yeah.
Great.
I don't want to tell you where that went.
Oh, did you? Did you just knock it deeper?
No. This is just really doing it.
That's where sockets and bolts go to die.
Yeah. Here. You got it?
Oh, distraction. Nice. It's like the game Operation.
But blind. I need a rubber. You don't have any rubbers, do you?
A Jimmy hat? Are you talking for that bolt?
Yeah.
Do you want to go back to your blanket? Oh, geez.
I got a thing right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't trust it.
Oh, God. Pure panther sex. What did this thing used to be called? The War Horse? It's like a Black Panther.
Is it bad luck to change motorcycles' names like it is bad luck to change horses' names?
What do you think of our motorcycle? Yeah. You can Fred Flintstone it.
I don't like this.
Ooh. There's literally nothing better looking than just a black motorcycle.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree.
Oh yeah.
The seat springs are questionably placed.
Whoop! Wheelie! Wheelie!
I'm scared.
I'm scared. That was not in the plan. I can't. It's not. That's not.
It's too scary.
It's a bad idea. Dude, when she's down on the ground, she's gonna be a bad chicken.